Good morning, class 5th. Yesterday we have started first unit 4th, operations on large numbers. In this chapter I told you that you have to do the first part of first chapter given on page number 27, and yesterday we have finished our first exercise given on page number 28. But today we are going to learn a new concept, that is subtraction. Like addition, here are few questions given in your book which you have to do yourself. I made you understand this first question, and now it's turn to do the difference. So let's study about the difference. You will do it yourself. I am just starting from here. From this question, what you have to do is you have to subtract these numbers. You have to find out the difference, and then you have to check whether our answer is right and wrong by addition. And how do we do that? First of all, we will subtract this number from this number, and whatever answer will come, we have to add that number to the smaller one. Add that answer to smaller one. If that answer will be equal to this, then our answer is correct. Okay, so let's start. I have written down these values like this in the copy, and now we are going to subtract it. 2 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract 5 from 2? No. But we can do one thing. We can take carry from another number, and then it will become 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. Now we have taken carry from this. Then it will remain less than 1. Then it will become 0. 0 means 10. So 10 minus 4, 6. Now this has taken carry from this number. So there will be minus 1, so 8 will become 7. Then 7 minus 7, 0. Now here it has not taken any kind of carry because it was eligible to subtract this number. Then what it will do? We will subtract it directly. 7 minus 5, 2. Now 4 minus 8. It is not possible, so we are going to take a carry from here, and it will become 14. Then how much will be 14 minus 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer will be 6. Okay. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Now let's move to another number. 5 minus 7. Not possible, and also it has given carry to this. Then it will become 4 and 1, 14. 14 minus 7, 7. And it has taken carry from this number. So it will become 6. So 6 minus 2, how much? 4. Now I have to check whether this answer is right or wrong. So what I will do? I will add this number to this, and if my answer will be this, then it will be correct. So let's start by doing addition. So 4, 7, 6, 2, 0, 6, 7 added by 5, 4, 7, 5, 8, 7, 2. Let's add them. 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 6, 4, 10 plus 1, 11, with carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 6 and 8, 14, with carry 1, 7, 7, 14 plus 1, 15, with carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So let's match whether this is this or not. 7, 5, 4, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So this is correct. My answer is correct. So on subtracting this from this, my answer will be this. This is the answer of this question. Okay. And you have to do all other questions like this with yourself. Okay. That is very easy. First of all, you have to subtract two numbers, and then for checking them you have to add the answer and the smaller number given in your book. Now let's move to another question. Question number 2. By how much does 8, 2, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6 exceed this? Means he wants to ask that up to how much number this is greater than this, or what must be added to this number to make this. Okay, very simple. So I have written down the largest digit, this one, and smaller one like this. So I have to tell this number is how much more than this number. Okay, like I told you that 8 is 2 greater than, okay, 8 is 2 more than 6. Okay, 6 is 2 more than, like this, 2 more than, okay, and it will become 8. So our 6 is how much, this digit is how much more than, so it will become this. Very easy concept. We will check it by subtraction. 6 minus 0, 6. Now 7 minus 9, not possible, so we will take here 17. What will we take here? 17. So now subtract 9 from 17, it will become 8. 8. So we have taken carry, okay, it will become 17. Now it will take carry also because this is less than this, so 15 will become 14. So now we have to subtract 8 from 14. 8 from 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Our answer will be 6. Now 4, it will become 13. We cannot write it 14, we have to write it 13. So how much do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here it will become 9. 1 less than 10. So 9 minus 2, 7. It will also take carry from here. It will become 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Now what remained here? Just 7. So 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, now how to check whether my answer is right or wrong? I will check it simply, roughly, by doing it here. 1, 6, 7, 6, 6, 8, 6. I have written down this number here and I have to take a smaller number here to add this. 6, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9, 0. 6, 17. Okay. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and 8. 15, 7, 7, 14, 10, 6, 5, 11, plus 1, 12, 8, 2, 8, 0, 4, 5, 7, 6. Correct answer. So, this number is how much less than this, or we can say that this number is how much greater than this. So, our answer is 1, 6, 7, 6, 6, 8, 6. Okay. Let's do next question. That is question number 3rd given in your book. What should be added to 746352 to get this? So we have to add something to this so that our answer will be this. So what will we do? This is greater number. It has 14 as lakhs. And this is smaller number, it has 7 as lakhs. So we are going to subtract this smaller one from this one, and whatever answer will come, to that answer we will add to this question so that our answer will become this. So let's do it. So in this question we have to know what should be added to this number, this smaller number, so it will become this. So let's check what is the difference of these numbers. So 11 minus 2, 9. This is 11, and this is 2. It will not become 12, it will become 11 because we have taken a carry from here. Then 11 minus 5, 6. From here it has taken carry, and this is also a small number. So what here remained? 11. Okay, what will be my answer? 8. 11 minus 3, 8. Now 0, so it will not be 10 because it has given carry to the next number. So here it will remain 9. So 9 minus 6, it will become 3. 1 minus 4, not possible. Also it has given 0 to this. So now it will become 0. So 0 means 10. 10 minus 4, 6, comma 4 here. Now 4 has given carry to the next number. So it will become 13. So 13 minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6. My answer is 6, and here nothing, it will remain 0. So for check that, we want to know that what should be added to this number, so it will become this. So I have to add this number to this smaller number. So let's add 6 6 3 8 6 9. So 9 to 11, 5 6 11 plus 1 12, 8 3 11 plus 1 12, 6 3 9 plus 1 10, 4 6 10 plus 1 11, 7 6 plus 1 7 7 14. So is it my answer accurate? Check this. 1 4 1 0 2 2 1. Accurate. I hope you got it this question very well. We have to get this answer by adding something to this number. And how do we find that? By subtracting the smaller to the larger one. Now let's move to next page, page number 30. On page number 30 we have given the problems related to subtraction, like we have done it yesterday, but it was related to addition. So today we are going to study about subtraction totally. Here we have to fill down the missing numbers. See, how do we do that? Very simple. You have to write those digits what will come to you after subtracting. So if I do not have here anything, what I will do? I will subtract this 5 from this 2. So 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Here it has taken no carry. So 5 minus 2, 3. Now see, 0 minus 4 not possible. Then what it will do? It will take carry from this side and it will become 10 minus 4, 6. Now we should know how much does we have here. See, this is 10, so 10 minus 4, 6. So it has taken carry from here. Here it has remained 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. So my answer is 4. We have to do this question like this. Okay, you are going to do this with yourself. Now we will start doing the statement type question. So my very first question given into your book is problem solving. A city corporation gets a revenue of 97 crore 65 lakh 34,799. For the purpose of revenue, a city corporation gets that much money and it spent rupees 89 crore 78 lakh 65,985 on various project, and the rest means and the remaining money is to be spent on development work in the city. So it wants to know how much is the remaining amount. Okay, so we will write down a statement from our book with the help of the book. So let's study here. What is this? The amount given for revenue. Correct? Amount of revenue. This is in rupees. So we will call whenever the thing is given in rupees, it may be price, amount. But we have to check what the question wants to say. This is not the price. This is the amount. So I have written amount given for revenue, that much, and money spent on projects is this. So I have written down this. Whatever the value is given into your book, you have to firstly write down it like this. Remaining amount, because it is asking that how much is remaining amount. 11 minus 5, 6. It will become 11, है ना? It will become 11 minus 5, 6. I have taken carry from here, so it will become 8. 1 less than 9, 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, so what here will be? After that we have 7. See, this 8 is eligible to subtract this 8. So there is no need to take carry from here. So what we will do? It will become 17, not 16. So 17 minus 9. Our answer will be 8, comma. This 14 will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. This 3 will become 1 less than, it will become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Now this has become 14. 1 less than 5, it will become 4. And 14 minus 8 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this will become 15. 15 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 minus 9. So 15 minus 7, it will become 16. So 16 minus 9 is 7. And now it will become 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. Very simple. So the amount left from this will be this. The remaining amount will be this. This is the total money given to city corporation, and this money is spent on various projects, and this is the remaining money. This is the answer. Okay. Now you have to try these two questions with yourself. In next class we will start doing this exercise. Till then, revise your previous work, and I am taking your tests, so do it carefully.